Now here we go, now here we go, now here we go. It's your girl Tori, and I'm back with another hair video. Y'all about to watch me do my hair. I got this hair for like 70 bucks off of Amazon from TRP Hair, and I love this cap that it came with. It's such a nice nude soft matte cap, like net cap. I never seen nothing like it before. But this is the wig here. It's a 30-inch, I think, body wave wig. Y'all, why this hair caught on fire like a week or two ago? Y'all, I was standing by my stove. I had the stove on, and it got burnt. It caught it. I feel like Michael Jackson. So I'm just showing y'all the I'm just showing y'all the combs, where the combs are placed. They have about 5-6 combs in here. You have like 3 in the back. Well, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, and 1 in the front. That's 4. Where the fuck I get 6 from? But anywho, I'm cutting off the lace here, as y'all can see. Okay, and y'all, I just cut it the back lace off, and now I'm just clamping those little hooks onto where I want it. I like my wigs tight, no moving. We don't need you to move, slide, slip, skate, nothing. So I'm clamping it so I can make it tighter. I got it tight. I'm just showing y'all very close. It's right underneath the comb. It's tight as fuck. And the wig also come with a band, y'all. This is like my first time really using a band that was like attached to the wig. And let me tell y'all, it's to die for. If you're y'all, so I'm just putting the wig on my head, as y'all could see. And then I'm going to show you guys how I put the combs in under my cap and tighten up the band while it's on my head, because yeah, you never know when some shit might pop off, and a bit ain't pulling my shit off at all. Yeah, y'all, so I'm just making sure that is secure. That's what I'm doing here. So we just tightening up that band. We about to throw this hair back, and we about to get into some things. So yeah, y'all, like, here we go now, here we go now, here we go. It's your girl Tori, y'all. That's my theme song, and I'm not changing it. I found my little motto, or my little slogan. So yeah, that's good. So I'm just making sure everything just fit on my head right the way it needs to, blah blah blah, and a whoop-de-whoop. Okay, y'all, and just here, right here, it was just showing y'all that even though everything was tight and the band was tight, baby, we still got some wiggle room back there, and I don't like that at all. I hate a loose cap. I hate it loose in the back. I don't care. But I eventually glue that down as well. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all. I'm about to cut these ear pieces off, as y'all can see. About to get that going. Got my little clamps on the phone. So yeah, we're just cutting the ear flaps right now, making sure that, you know, that it fits and it look good. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm just making sure I got my ear flaps right and that it fit me the way that I like. You could do it whatever way you like. The choice is yours, not mine. All right, y'all, so we're just getting that squared away. I'm just making sure everything is up to my liking. And now I'm about to give y'all that shake something, so y'all can see how full, thick, and flowy the hair is. Do y'all see that shake? Stop playing with TRP hair. Stop playing with them. And y'all, now I'm going to go in with the Milan. I love this foundation. It's perfect for my skin. So I'm just going to use that brush and that foundation to go ahead and put that on my lace, as well as I'm going to put it on my cap as well. I don't know, but if I don't, y'all can see it. So we just putting that all over the lace. We're just putting that all over the lace. I'm also going to put it on the cap as well. We want it to look as natural as possible, as blended as possible. So yeah, blend that foundation into that lace, girl. You better blend it. You better blend that shit, bitch. Okay, and now y'all gonna see me spray with the Got2b glue. That's just so it can seal it in. I also put some on my cap, and y'all know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because baby, Big Tori coming through for shit, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna put this little wig back on our head or whatever. And as y'all can see, it look way better than it did before. Like from a distance, it's giving scalp. Stop playing with the kid. Yeah, I was out of focus in this area right here, but y'all get the gist. I'm just adjusting the wig the way I want it to go, like how I want it on my head and stuff. Making sure, you know, it's in the right place and that it fit. Checking out these ear sides just to make sure that they laying. Now I'm gonna go in and with the got to be glue, cause y'all, I didn't have no Ghost Bond glue. I have no Ghost Bond glue or no bow hold, no nothing but got to be. So we gonna lay this here with the got to be. Y'all, this is my sister coming up in here talking shit, girl. So yeah, I'm just doing my hair, and then yeah. All right, y'all, I'm back. Had to chop it over with my sister real quick. Now we got it on our head. I'm just combing through it, showing y'all what it looked like up close. It's giving scalp. But if I would have plucked it a little bit more, it would have came out like 10 times better. But I didn't let it dry. I didn't let it sit with the headband on there. So as y'all can see, it's dry. So now I'm just cutting the flaps. I'm going back in with the got to be glued. After I cut it, just so those little pieces that y'all see sticking up, y'all ain't about to see them hoes no more. So don't come for me. It's about to be flat, splat, and stuck like that. So yeah, that's what we doing right here, right now. So don't play with the kids. And yeah, so y'all can get a gist of what that look like. Y'all can see the difference. Yeah, so I stopped on one side to cut so I could hold the other side down, because y'all know when y'all put that got to be glued on there and it get wet, it get the sliding, it get the moving, it get the lifting up. So I was just like, let me try something different. And that different way was just to go ahead and cut one side and then put the band back on there and then cut the other side and, you know, fix it up the way I need to. So that's exactly what the fuck going on here. And y'all, I do apologize for like all the cursing, especially if you're a child. You really shouldn't be on here, no way. But I know you want to learn some stuff, so that's okay. But please excuse the French. So I'm going back in with the got to be glued, and I'm just spraying it all over the hairline and whatnot. I wish I would have plucked it a little bit more. If I would have plucked it some, it would have been given real scalp realness on the lace. But I'm putting my daughter headband back on my head, because I don't know where my headband is full of my laces. But I'm putting my daughter headband back on my head so I could let it sit. I'm putting some Bio Silk in my head too, because you know that Bio Silk get that shit a little shine. Little shine, get it bouncy, moving and flowing. And y'all can already see the difference from the hair and then me adding the Bio Silk. But y'all, and then I decided I wanted to go ahead and add some curls with this Cortex flat iron my sister got. The curls came out beautifully. I thought the curls would last because I had my bonnet and stuff on, but bitch, that shit pissed me off. Y'all see these curls so beautiful. Wait, y'all. This hair was beautifully curled. It's beautiful straight. The hair is so soft, so smooth, so flowy. And I love the lace. I love everything about the hair, just besides it doesn't hold a curl. But everything else is perfect for this hair. If you guys are looking to purchase the hair, I'll leave it down in my description box below. So check out those links. But I do want to give a big thanks to you guys for supporting me and continuing to watch my videos, even if they don't make sense. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bells, because I'm coming.